In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to delete all Facebook posts at once. So the process will be similar for Android and iPhone users. First of all, go to your Facebook app and log into your Facebook account. Now just go to your profile. Once you are in your Facebook profile, just tap on this three dot next to your profile here, and then select your activity log. Under activity log, tap on your Facebook activity, and here under post, tap on manage post, and now tap on filters, tap on categories, and here we have to select your post, photos and videos, and then here you will find all of your posted photos, videos, reels, status. All you have to need, just load all post here, then scroll up and tap on all to select all of your Facebook post. Now just tap on trash, tap on move to trash, and all of your Facebook post will be delete or move to trash folder. After 30 days, all of your trash items will be permanently deleted. So just tap on move to trash and all of your selected post will be removed or delete from your Facebook profile. Thanks for watching.